$639,000 in Rosenthal. It's a cul-de-sac and it is an open to below. So it's got some beautiful 18-foot ceilings in the living room. This is a 4-bedroom. It's kind of got a main floor bed with a full bath, and then it has 2.5 bathrooms. It could be used as a main floor den as well. I just toured another open to below in Rosenthal. Check it out right here at $649,000, which I believe is superior to this home. This is Homes by Abby. It's called the Hemsworth. And if you might be considering a relocation, make sure you reach out to me and my team, because we take the stress out, we make it easy. And let's get in and see what Homes by Abby gets you for $639,000 for an open to below. Let's go check it out. Okay friends, so $639,000, just under 2,100 square feet. It's like 2,078, and it's an inferior product. This is Homes by Abby. It is the Hemsworth, and it's very builder basic. So what is builder basic? I will show you. If you go to any other one of my videos, you'll see the difference. This is perfect. So you can see how you just have the slate fireplace and you have no additional wall features. Look at how kind of plain and basic the chandelier is. The exact same thing here. Your light fixtures are very builder basic, entry level grade. There is no built-ins whatsoever throughout the entire thing, right? Those built-ins. There's no additional built-ins in any of the closets. They're just wire racks. That's basically entry level. You can get those at Home Depot. And the entire floor plan is nowhere near as spacious. So if you go to this link right here, this home is fantastic. This is $649,000 in Rosenthal. It is 2,250 square feet, and it is far superior. The bonus room is bigger, the floor plan is better, the quality of the interior finish is far superior for $10,000 more. That's why I said it was a smoking deal. So check this one out. If you like what you're learning from this channel, make sure that you keep following, subscribe below, and hey, if you want somebody you can rely on and trust to tell you the truth, reach out to me and my team if you might be considering a relocation, because guess what? That's what we do. We specialize in relocations. We take the stress out and we make it easy. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and